Cubot is already known for bringing phones that offer great value for money, especially in its compact rugged series. This time they present something really different, the Cubot KingKong Mini 4, one of the smallest yet capable rugged Android phones available today. Its device with a 4.7-inch screen, a rugged turtle shell design, shock-resistant, survival functions, a large battery, compact to its size, the latest Android 15 and the ultra-compact body that literally fits in every pocket. For more details, check out our full video review of the new Cubot KingKong Mini 4 and learn more. Cubot KingKong Mini 4 comes in a compact, sturdy box without excessive luxury, which reflects the philosophy of practicality. When you open the box, the first thing you see is the device itself, immediately ready for our testing. Here is the user guide, quick start guide. Then we have USB-C cable and a 10-watt charger, and that's it. Now let's move on to our smartphone. The first impression of holding the phone in the hand is extremely pleasant, both because of the size and the material. The rubberized housing and reinforced edges will provide a sense of security during daily wear at work in the field. The compact dimensions allow the Mini 4 to easily fit in a pocket, bag or backpack, which is a rarity among rugged devices. The phone is not heavy, 192 grams, which is okay for a robust phone, not too big. The dimensions of the 128.7 by 61 by 60.9 mm make it a really compact. Compared to the classic durable phone, the Cubot KingKong Mini 4 seems like a small dwarf, but even though it's small, it can absolutely everything, just like these big, full-blooded rugged smartphones. Cubot KingKong Mini 4 is designed to withstand almost all conditions. The back combines an industrial look with minimalistic details and rugged shell turtle design. The Cubot logo is discreetly placed at the bottom, thus maintaining a clean and tidy appearance. A special detail is the LED ring around the camera, which serves not only aesthetically but also functionally. During night tests and video recording, the LED light ring was powerful enough to illuminate the entire work area, and it's also useful for signaling as SOS light. You can adjust the brightness in the companion app and even set timers so the light turns off automatically after a set period. For hikers, campers and night shift workers, this is just a cool feature. It's generally useful, replacing the need for a separate flashlight. Now let's look at this side metal frame, where we find the power and the volume buttons, which are quite large, ergonomic and easily accessible even when wearing gloves. The power button with integrated fingerprint reader unlocks the phone almost instantly. The left side houses a SIM tray, easily accessible without tools, supporting 2 SIMs as well as a microSD card or 1 SIM card. Underneath is an additional program button, which can trigger these different functions depending on whether you single press, double press or hold it, ideal for quick launching the camera, flashlight, or you can customize whatever you need. At the bottom you will find the USB-C charging port sealed with a waterproof rubber flap. The whole device feels solid and robust in the hand, the edges of the case seem stable. I'm even convinced that this little guy can withstand a lot more than the bigger brothers. Now the rear camera is only one, and that's a 48 megapixel lens with autofocus and LED flash offers solid photos in daytime conditions with enough detail, good contrast and realistic colors. For shooting in low light conditions, the LED ring provided to be extremely useful. Video recording goes up to 1080 pixels and 30 fps, which is enough for documenting activities, social media posts or recording everyday situations in the field. And to get a feel for camera performance, it's best to check out our sample photos and videos we took using our KingKong Mini 4, so let's take a look. The front 5.7-inch IPS LCD screen with a 720 by 1600 pixels provides a surprisingly clear and natural colors for its size, with a 90Hz refresh rate and a 373 ppi. The interface is smooth and fluid, making everyday use and navigation through applications easier. Although the screen is not large, watching YouTube videos, Netflix series or casual gaming experience is very pleasant. The small size of the screen even increases battery autonomy, which is a big plus for the field activities. The practicality of the screen is especially felt when reading emails, messages and documents, while viewing navigation application and maps is surprisingly intuitive. The compact size allows for easy one-hand use, and the ergonomics of the device prevent uncomfortable stretch of the fingers. Now there is a 60 megapixel front camera, also work great for video calls, face unlock and casual selfies, and the small dimensions of the device make it even easier to hold and shoot stably. Inside the phone is Unisoc T616, a proven and energy-efficient octa-core processor that in this class provides a surprisingly good balance between performance and consumption. It's paired with the Mali G57 MP1 graphic, which easily runs all everyday applications as well as lighter games and even somehow more demanding titles if you are willing to sacrifice the highest graphical settings. There is also 8GB of RAM and 256GB of internal memory, enough for photographic materials, applications and videos. If even that somehow becomes too little for you, there is the option of expansion by micro SD card, which shares a slot with the second SIM. In practice, KingKong Mini 4 multitasks without any jerks, switching between applications, opening navigation, browse social networks and launching the camera is fast and fluid with the casual games, and the entire user experience seems surprisingly fast and responsive, especially considering the size of this device and its robust constructions. Cubot KingKong Mini 4 comes with a pure Android 50, completely free of unnecessary applications and advertisement. The interface is simple, intuitive and fast. Features like gesture wake, smart assistant, dark mode and customizable themes further enhance the user experience. The minimalism of the software ensures fluidity even on the small screen, and easy access to all applications facilitates work in the field or daily task. In terms of connectivity, Wi-Fi provides a stable and fast connection to home and public networks, while Bluetooth 5.0 maintains a solid and reliable connection with the headphones, smartwatches and other gadgets. There is also NFC, which means you can use contactless payment or quick pairing of devices. GPS, GLONASS, Galileo and BDS pick up the signal quickly even in the forest and urban environments. The KingKong Mini 4 is compact yet durable and capable device that can be used in a workspace, hiking, camping or as a secondary device for extreme conditions. The unexpectedly large 4700 mAh battery provides extraordinary autonomy considering the compact dimensions of the phone. During extremely active use with the camera, navigation, video streaming and social media, the battery lasted a full day without any problems. With moderate use, the phone can last up to 3 days without problems. The 10-watt charging takes just over 2 hours, which is fast enough for use in the field or when you are on the go. When it comes to durability, the KingKong Mini 4 is a really little tank. Despite its compact dimensions, this device has IP68 and IP69K certificates, which means that it is completely resistant to dust and withstand immersion in the water of up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes, as well as exposure to the powerful jets of high-pressure water. There is also MIL STD 810H certification, which indicates resistance to drop, shock, vibrations and extreme temperatures. All in all, the KingKong Mini 4 is a device whose resilience isn't just a marketing gimmick, it's core identity: small, tough, robust and ready for conditions where most ordinary smartphones simply wouldn't dare to work. So if you're looking for extra compact rugged phone for field, work, trips or as a reliable secondary device, this smartphone is a great choice. It combines durability, functionality and convenience in the smallest possible format, making it perfect for all users who want a reliable and compact tool in their pocket. So if you are considering getting this Cubot KingKong Mini 4, and I am fairly certain you are after seeing what this little beast can do, now is the perfect chance. You will find the official purchase link right below this video. Don't wait too long, the special promo offer won't last forever and stocks are limited. That's all for today for review. Thanks for watching and we'll see you soon in the next video review. Until then, bye.